That person's crazy. I'll tell you why in a second. When we see the little, oh, it's so pretty. This is, I think, one of the prettiest parts of this road is right through here. How the river just kind of winds around. You got all these big, beautiful trees. Welcome back, everybody. Today is the 21st, May 21st. I'll tell you what, these months are just floating by. Of course, I am on the infamous River Road, New Braunfels, Texas. It is a whopping 100 degrees today. Woo woo! So says the Sabo, or my F3T Spider. Yeah, it's warm. Come through here and I look at all the campers. Oh, there is not a lot here. Okay, hon, let's rent another camper, and yeah, let's come here. I want to come here. When we come across, it yells at me all the time to slow down. First water crossing. Oh, that water looks so good. Like I said, it's 100 degrees today. This southern Ohio boy, yeah, there's not much humidity, and I didn't look. But it's still 100 degrees and the sun is warm, and I am not quite used to it being 100 degrees. That water looks so amazing. I'll take it. Well, I guess I should sit down now, huh? Private property. That would be some pretty property to own. Right up in through here, right under that cliff. Oh my goodness. Looking out at the river, walking across the road, saying, hey hun, you want to do some tubing with me? And just floating. So I'm extremely excited, and you're gonna see the video that I'm gonna be shooting tomorrow before you see this video. I have the opportunity to ride the new Canyon, and of course the Sea to Sky. So I'm doing that Thursday and Friday. I cannot wait. I had a viewer comment, and I didn't even think about it this way. Right, they're promoting the Canyon as a do anything mild off-road, mild dirt road, mild off-road, right? And this viewer said, well, what about it just being a touring? You know, more like a sport touring, because it has all the modes. But it's not big, heavy RT. I think it has the same pulley as the F3. I'll confirm that tomorrow, because you can look at the pulley on the F3. It's a very big pulley. Oh, we got a camper. What are we gonna do? It's an A. And then of course the Sea to Sky. I don't know if Debbie's going to be joining me or not. She works like a lot, so we will see. They gonna get out of our way? They got their brake lights on. They're turning. Day turning. Boom. Thank you. Thank you. That was awful nice of them. He even said thank you very much with the flash of his lights. Not a lot of people on the river today. But no, if Debbie, my gorgeous wife, joins us, you know, we have an F3T, and the RT, the Sea to Sky, is big, more room, like 3 extra inches in the back. I'm very curious to see what she has to say, because I have never had a passenger on any of the RTs that I've ridden. So we'll see. Don't look at it quickly and think boobs, because it's not. It's tubes. We are adults at times. Water damage? I would like to stay there. Look at that. Oh, let's slow down. I got time. Big drop. Look at those pretty flowers. See, they kind of block it off, so you have that canal, that canyon, that spot where the water kind of picks up. So if you're in your little boat, you can go through. Dang, there's some heat on my right foot on the side of it. Yes, air. And I mean, this thing has an overheated jet. That's a really pretty truck. Oh, wait a minute. That's not a fifth wheel. No, it's not a fifth wheel. Normally there's a fifth wheel that sits there. Well, hey there, Mr. Cutting grass in 100 degree. Oh, it's cooled down. It's 99 degrees now. It's a warm one. Warm one for sure. And this is just going to be a little ride. I'm going to be out of the house an hour or so. So I'm really not dressed for the warmth, but I'm not going to be out very long. And this is where you drop comments on how to stay cool when it's 100 freaking degrees out. Because I struggle with that. I don't know if it's my makeup or if it's my medicines that I take, but I overheat and I sleep very warm. My wife loves it because she sleeps very cold. But when it's warm out, then I struggle at times. It's even stopped one of my trips. I was trying to get down to the Smokies, and I got just south of Lexington, Kentucky, and there was an accident or something. They had the highway closed, so I just baked in the sun for like 3 hours, and I was very sick that night. And I couldn't continue. I got a hotel that night, and I took in as much liquids as I could, and the cramps were so severe. It was a rough night. So when it comes to riding in the heat, I'm going to take it serious, but I don't know how to ride in the heat. So everybody say, you know, I don't want to just go for a ride. I'm going to be gone an hour or two. I'll be fine, right? I've been drinking fluids for the last couple days. But say I want to go for a 400-mile trip, and it's 100 degrees, and you're on a road that, I mean, we just running down the highway, 400 miles. How do you stay cool? That's my question. How do you stay hydrated? I get, you know, you throw in a long sleeve, very light UV protectant shirt, a camelback maybe, but I mean, you're going to be an hour in that water that you're going to be drinking is going to be like 120 degrees. So, you know, those are my questions as I hick them up my way through this. What is that, a Chevy? I think that's a Chevy. Looks like a Chevy. You guys can't tell? Definitely taking all the lanes, huh? Oh, it was nice and cool right there. I want to ride down the middle of the road. It looks fun. Look at this. I'm riding down the middle of the road. Little cabins. Hopefully those things are insulated. Those little AC units. Woo! That tin roof. Slowing on down. Yeah, I definitely love this road. I don't know if this is considered hill country or not. I'm gonna say it's hill country. I mean, right? that looks like a hill to me. Oh, I like this one. This one's really pretty. This is the first one I came across and was like, dang. Because I found this road and I was going backwards to what I'm doing now. So I came across this and I'm like, oh, it reminds me of Southern Ohio. Just gorgeous. Sixth gear. Sometimes I wish I could go into a lower gear with this. Not a lower gear, a higher gear, like 7th gear. Give me a lower, like, 1st gear and then give me 8 all total. Make this thing quick. That'd be fun. Yeah, very, very pretty. Okay, well that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the ramblings from a fat guy in New Braunfels, Texas. Because that's all it was today, is just ramblings. Skinny little road. Van and I didn't give each other a lot of room, to be honest with you. Oh, look at that. Kind of reminds me of the Hocking River, as it parallels 33 just south of Sugar Grove, Ohio. Well, yes, just south of Sugar Grove. There's this little back road that takes you down into Enterprise. It's a really cool road, and that's kind of what it reminds me of. So on that, I'm gonna let everybody go. I'm gonna listen to me some music and look at all the looks. See, that's a look I'm looking. That's another look over there. So if you could, please give me a big thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. Cruise work? Yep. Music work? Yep.